When you check out, Motif will run an automatic quality check of your project. Our app may notify you of either warnings or errors it has detected for quality review in your project. A warning will display with a yellow icon. We recommend you review and consider modifying these project elements to ensure the highest quality print possible. However, if you choose to, you can still check out with these warnings present. If an error displays with a red icon, these issues must be addressed before you can check out. Tap on any errors to be directed to them so they may be corrected. Once a warning or error is successfully addressed, the assigned icon will disappear. Once all the red errors have been corrected, you can tap on Check Out again to proceed and complete your order. Again, yellow warnings are only recommendations for review. You can still choose to check out if any are present.